Stop by and take a look at the 2012 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear defroster, fog lights, child safety rear door locks, night security illumination, airbags, rear wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set, ambient lighting. Come see the car for yourself.